just a Porsche. It's a 2004 911 GT3, the very first GT3 ever offered in North America. A modern icon, powered by the legendary Mezger engine, built for the track and celebrated by collectors worldwide. And now, it's set to be restored to its original perfection, right here at Porsche North Houston, an official Porsche Classic Partner, for the 2025 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. Finished in speed yellow, this GT3 is a driver's car through and through, infused with Porsche's motorsport DNA. But a car like this, it deserves the highest level of care, precision that only a Porsche Classic Partner can provide. At Porsche North Houston, we specialize in restoring and preserving Porsche legends like this, using genuine Porsche parts and drawing on decades of expertise through the Porsche Classic program. Because when it comes to a car with this pedigree, perfection isn't optional, it's the standard. Over the next few months, we'll document the entire journey, from mechanical refinements to concours-level finishing touches. Every step of the way, Porsche Classic standards will guide the process, ensuring this GT3 is restored exactly as Porsche intended.